Hey guys, today it is Hannah and
Ashley.
and today we are going to be doing the yoga challenge.
Thank you.
And I just gotta look up yoga. My lip hurts.
You shouldn't record until you're ready to.
So, ow, 2-person yoga pose. Okay.
I need a camera for my hair. Okay, good.
So first, we're going to be doing this one. 1 second. Oh. This one. So yeah.
My hair good?
Get down in the pose.
Oh.
I have to be this.
It's yes.
Ask you, put your
He's trying to make up my butt.
put your butt down. Put your feet back up.
Okay.
You have to put your like this, Ash. You gotta go like this. Like this. Put that butt down. Okay, stop arching your body.
It hurts.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
We did it! Okay. So that was it. Gotta look up another yoga pose.
My shoulders hurt.
Hooray for you. Okay. So what we are going to do, let's put it down.
I'm addicted to music. I'm addicted to I fix my ex and she goes.
Stop it. We're going to be doing this one. Okay, so let's do it, Ash.
Which one?
Okay. Come here. Nope, gotta put her legs up like that.
Oh.
Put your legs up.
That was Hannah's mom.
No, it is. Here. Bend your legs up. It stinks. No, you gotta grab her hands first.
Oh. I have to use the bathroom.
Yay, we did it! No one's
I have to use the bathroom.
Then go. I'll look for the next yoga pose. Oh, what happened? So, yeah. I can't find one that she would like. I was gonna
Hey, what
ask.
about that one down there?
This one?
No.
No, that's stupid. No. How about I was finding one and I saw one, but I don't know where it went. Right here.
Yeah.
So we're going to be doing this one. Well, at least attempt to do that one. I need to look at it. So your hands have to have my feet. So my back is kind of, put your feet down lower. So grab my hand. Right. It's gonna be I'm so confused. I turned off already. So you gotta grab my feet. Grab my feet to go flat. Put your feet flat. I'm gonna stand on a chair to help.
She's a midget, everybody.
Put your feet all the way up. Okay, but you have to have my feet. I'm confused. Oh, like this. Take my feet. Like this. Wait. Okay, let's do it again. So grab my feet. Not on my butt, Ash.
Oh.
It's on my back.
Oh. There's not to be a slide. It's easier to do it on the butt.
What we're doing
Oh, sorry.
Okay, put your legs up. I'm farther down so you can grab my feet. So grab my feet. Put them on my back. No, go up.
I can't. You're gonna fall. Scoot back, or else you're gonna fall.
Okay, put your feet on my back like that. And now grab my feet. Now push up. Push up with your feet. Wait, let's restart. Let go. So, put your feet up, and then I'll try to get my back on it.
Oh, I think we got it, guys.
Yay, we did it! Okay, let go. Yay, we did it! That one was hard. Okay. Ash. Stop it, Ash. We're going to do this one. Never mind, you're not gonna. Are you able to sit like this?
A V? Like this?
No, like this.
For which one?
Never mind, I'm not gonna do that one.
Like this one, Hannah? Like this?
No. We're going to do this one, but we're girls, not boys. Okay, so I'll be.
Ow!
Okay, let's do it.
What do we do?
You go back like
Oh.
this. Get the back up, Ash. Oops, wrong foot. Ready? It's so hard. Ready? One,
We have to connect feet.
1, 2. Yay! We did it. Okay. So now we gotta find another one. Ash, stop it. Stop, Ash. No one wants to hear your cracking fingers. Stop, Ash. Stop, Ash. It's getting annoying. Oopsies. We already tried that one. That was too hard.
What one?
That one.
Oh, that one. We should put matching outfit on. No! Show them the one that you thought we should do.
No. What am I gonna do?
Your
This one.
boyfriend and girlfriend one.
Okay. did it. There aren't much yoga poses.
Ooh, try that one.
So we're gonna do this one.
Oh, this one's just like that one other one. But this time I don't have to grab my feet. I just get to go chillax like this. Grab your feet.
This is scary.
I won't drop you.
Okay.
Let me go grab like right there.
1 second. I'm gonna grab a